Is .NET Framework hanging when turned on in Windows 11? Here are 3 fixes to resolve it. To open the Services window, you need to type Services in the search box. Then, what you need to do is to click on Services in the search. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update Service. Double-click on it to open its properties. In Windows Update Properties, click on Startup Type and choose Automatic. Check if service status is running or not. Otherwise, click on Start to start the process. Then finally, you have to click on Apply and OK to save the changes on your computer. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run, and then copy-paste this line and hit Enter to open the download folder. See Windows Our Software Distribution now. Download here, select all the contents here and then press Delete to empty the folder. Then press Windows key plus R. Once the Run window has opened, type CMD and then click on OK. Copy this command and paste it in the CMD window and then hit Enter. DISM/online/cleanup/image/start component cleanup. Close the command prompt window. You need to press Windows key plus R. Then press Optional Features and click on OK. In the Windows Features window, click on Net.FrameWork 3.5 Framework 3.5 includes Net 2.0 and 3.0, and then click on OK to enable the feature on your computer. Net.FrameWork 3.5 will be turned on your computer without further issues. Your problem should be solved. At first, you need to plug in the Windows 11 installation disk. Press Windows key plus E to open the File Explorer window on your computer. Then, go to This PC and note the drive letter of the DVD or flash drive, suppose it is G. Close File Explorer window on your computer. Now you need to open the command prompt. Type cmd.exe in the search box and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter together. Now type or copy-paste this command and hit Enter. DISM/online/enable feature/feature name netfx 3/all source g DOS sources OS X/limit access. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.